Hey guys, Montana with Crockd here. Today I'll be showing you how to paint your own air-dried vase or other clay creations like this. First, make sure to subscribe and then let's get into it.
Today I'm using the Crockd acrylic paint set, which comes with 9 tubes of acrylic paint plus a clear sealant and 2 paintbrushes. The paints are quick drying, so you don't have to wait long in between coats. Always start by painting your piece with a white base coat. Once your white coat has dried, paint your piece with a coat of whatever colored paint you like. I'm keeping things neutral and sticking with a white background. Make sure to always rinse your brush before switching to a new color. Next, we'll paint our main shape onto the vase. I'm going with a terracotta color for this shape, so I'm mixing white, brown, orange, and a touch of yellow paint. And then I'm just slowly moving my paintbrush in a circular back and forth motion to make an abstract, squiggly shape. Once the overall shape is perfected, just fill it in. Next, we'll use white paint to outline 2 more shapes that will sit within the main terracotta shape. If you're liking this video so far, be sure to like and subscribe. Once the placement and shape is right, go ahead and fill in your 2 shapes with whatever colors you'd like. I'm going with a light turquoise color for one, so I'm mixing white, blue, and a touch of yellow paint. For the other shape, I'll go with a neutral peach. So I'm mixing a lot of white paint with a little orange and a touch of yellow. Now these shapes will become the backdrop to a simple but more detailed element. So use your small paintbrush or paint pen to add some leaves or any other element you'd like. I'm using my black Crockd paint pen and drawing on a few simple leaves. And there we go, a simple way to add some fun to your air-dried vase. Top with a sealant if you'd like, and then add some dried leaves or flowers.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and let us know what you want to see next.